1,000 nickel plate footage. Rolled up and got ourselves a westbound. As I'm driver to the rail fan live streaming, so 2 westbounds go through, and we'll do 1,000. We'll be on the track closest to us. So we'll be going down the tracks. See if we can get 100 truck. It's a big guy. I've seen a thoroughbred grain car before, but that was a thoroughbred boxcar. Well, there goes the end of that manifest. I was going at least like track speed, and I think they either go like 50 or 60 miles an hour, or 6 or 7 miles per hour. No, 60 or 70 miles per hour. Okay, I'm done. We got a green for an eastbound. Peace.